Hi, my name is Wanda from Some Research. Today we're talking about how to make a strawberry Kumihimo bracelet. I have the picture on the left side and we're going to cut your string and make a loop now. I've currently done that here. Now we are going to attach our string to our Kumihimo disc. Now this Kumihimo disc it's not easy to find, but it's very cheap. I bought mine on Wish. I think I'll leave a link to the description below. I bought mine from Wish, and now Kumihimos or most Kumihimos are worked in doubles in a set of two. So on the screen here on the left hand side, you see at the top you see two whites, which is what we've attached. We're going to attach another set of whites right beside that one, and we're going to leave. Okay, let me use the numbers. We've attached into space 1 and 2, so we're going to leave 3 and attach into 4 and 5. Then we're going to leave 6 and we're going to attach another set of whites into 7 and 8. So we're going clockwise now, 7 and 8. Then I'm going to attach one white and one red into, is it 10 and 11? Wait, 7, 8, yes, 10 and 11. Then we're going to go to the next one, which is red and red, a set of red. We're going to attach it into 12. So we're going to attach to 13 and 14. Now I started from the other side so I don't make any mistakes, and then that's when I realized that I forgot to cut enough string. I'm missing a set of whites. So I'm going to give you a tip. If this happens, just cut the string and wrap it around the loop. I'll show you how to do that. Then just turn the back. You see the string sticking out, and then wrap it around the loop as many times as possible to make sure when you actually start braiding it doesn't come out. So now we are going to start our bracelet. Now we have whites facing white. Okay, I forgot. I have 3 extra spaces because if you can see, it's numbered from number 1 to 32. And I have 3 extra spaces, which I'm about to show you. So with the way I've put it now, I have 1 space in between each set. And I have 3 spaces left. So I'm going to move all that string all the way back. So I have 2 spaces in between the whites and the next white and red on the left hand side. I'm going to move it all the way back so that the 2 spaces there will have 2 spaces down directly opposite. Yes, so like what I'm saying now. So we're going to take the 2 white strings up with the 2 white strings down. So then just watch. So we're going to take number 1 and bring it down to 16. Then we're going to take 18 and bring it up to 32. So for Kumihimo braiding, you're just going to be taking the top down and down. It's going to be like a straight line. Just make a straight line and take the right one down and take the left one up. We'll repeat it again. Take number 5 down to 19. Then take 21 up to 3. Go to the next one, and remember we're turning anti-clockwise. Turn anti-clockwise. So down to 22, then 24 up to 6. Turn anti-clockwise. Take 11 down to 24. That's 25. Then take 27 up to 9. There, that's it. Do the same thing. So it's just 3 steps we're going to repeat in until when you have your desired length of bracelets. Remember, take the one on the right to the bottom part, then take the one on the left to the top part. That's all. So I'm going to keep doing this until when I reach the beginning again. Down, then take number 1 to 15. Now this is like almost where we started. Then 20 down to 2 and 4 up to 18. Turn clock anti-clockwise and take 23 down to 4 and take 7 up to 21. Turn, take 26 up, there. We're almost where we started. And yes, this is exactly where we started from. And you can see my string is tangled. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna speed through this part so you can see the end or what it starts to look like. On a tip for when your strings are untangled, just take 3 strings and pull. Hold the untangled part and pull. Pull the 3 strings out. Take another 3 strings and pull. Just keep pulling. It comes out smoothly. Take another 3 strings and pull. Another 3 strings and pull. So you don't have to keep, just in case you forget to pull your fingers through it to untangle your thread, just don't bother. You can do this whenever you feel like you're stuck. And I can see a little strawberry has been formed here. And that's the end. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.